Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you turn off communication in Roblox. So guys, it's very easy. At first, just go to your Roblox app. Now click the bottom last three dot icon. Scroll and go to settings. Click on the third option here, privacy. Now in the communication, here you can see it is default. Click on default and click on off, and it is saved successfully. So guys, that's how you can turn off communication in Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.